I wrote a letter to the editor of every paper in the Hudson Valley on March 11, 2007, calling for an independent investigation by the Ulster County District Attorney. I think that was around the same time that the legislature had announced that it was going to conduct an investigation, and I certainly applauded it then, and I applaud it now. I don't see any reason why there should not have been a simultaneous effort in the DA's office. It's not a question of condemning or condoning the present administration. How would I have handled it? I would have investigated it before that. This was an issue a long time ago. I got my taxes increased 39%, I believe it was, in 2005. So I think we all knew that something was amiss in the jail.
Millions of dollars have gone somewhere, and many citizens in Ulster County, like myself, feel that it went into somebody's pocket. And we'd all like to know whose pocket it went into, because it's coming out of our pockets, as you pointed out.
Look, whether it did or it didn't, I think that we as citizens of this county and as taxpayers, we have a right to know. We have a right to know, and that's why I think that it is critical that we have a district attorney who is, look again, somebody of integrity, somebody who is unencumbered and unbiased by any party affiliations.
The district attorney has impaneled a grand jury. I think it's important, first of all, that people understand what that means. A grand jury consists of 23 citizens from our county who sit in private. It is not a public proceeding. There is no judge involved. The district attorney directs the proceedings as both the prosecutor and the legal advisor to the grand jury. Now, while the grand jury does have the power to ask for particular pieces of evidence from the prosecution, it is ultimately the prosecutor that decides what will be put in front of and what will be heard by the grand jury. We need a district attorney who will permit those 23 citizens to take the investigation where they see fit, who will leave no stone unturned, and who will conclude the investigation in a manner that is both just and fair, not only to the individuals involved, but to the citizens of Ulster County as a whole.